Want filters that look and feel perfect for your store? Today we will style filter using dropdowns, checkboxes, radio buttons, sliders, color swatches, images, button style filters, input fields, and rating controls. From your WordPress dashboard, click on Product Filters, then open Form Style. This is where you control how every filter looks. From the drop-down, select Category option. Here you will see three main style groups: Checkbox, Image, and Select. Checkbox style has more variation: Checkbox, Button Check, Radio, and then we have Square and Checkbox Hide. Image style has two options: Image and Image with a border. Select style has two options too: Select and Select to. Let's apply it now. Let's choose Button Check and click Save Changes. Now open the shop page and look at the category filter. It's showing as clean buttons. Now let's go back to our dashboard. Next, let's see about price. Price has four style: price, slider, slider to, input price range. Then it comes to rating. Rating has three style: rating star, rating text, and dynamic rating. Most of the options are same, so let's see for search product. Search product has two style: search with button and search with icon. And if you go with attributes and select any attribute, then you can see it give you the most flexibility: checkbox, color, image, and select.
And here color has four variation:
color without border, color circle, color with value.
Now let's choose select option and then click save changes.
Then you need to go to shop page and refresh the page. As we have done changes in our attributes, processor, see, it's coming with select option. That's how you can style categories, price, rating, search, and attributes. Try different styles and keep the one that match your store design.